The two most common types of stainless steel used in exhaust systems are T304 and T409. Let's take a look at the differences between the two. Both 304 and 409 are corrosion resistant. The difference is the amount of chromium used. 304 contains about 20% chromium, whereas 409 contains about 11%. This difference, plus the added nickel, makes 304 stainless a higher grade steel, making it more resistant to corrosion and giving it a better finish. You can polish 304 up to a high luster. As you would expect, 304 stainless is more expensive, but for lasting durability and good looks, 304 is the way to go. For vehicles that don't see salted roads, you can save some bucks and go with 409. While 409 can develop surface rust and discoloration, it won't damage the integrity of the exhaust. When appearance is not so important, but performance is, 409 might be a better choice. In regards to horsepower, there are no gains to be made between 304 and 409. They both perform equally. There's also no real weight advantage between the two. An easy way to tell them apart is with a magnet. 409 is magnetic, while 304 is not. For maximum durability and finish, go with a 304 exhaust system. For warmer climates, 409 is more practical and economical. Be sure to check out our huge line of exhaust systems at Holley.com.